Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Android's share sheet. Android's share sheet has long been a point of contention. The idea behind it is ingenious. It allows you to share media, links, files, and more data across apps on your phone with only a few taps. However, it has become increasingly harder to use over the years, with many apps offering their own internal share sheets with extra in-app actions. The fact that direct share targets often doesn't help the system share sheets case either. While Android 14 may not fix the latter problem just yet, it aims to help developers get rid of custom share sheets by giving them the option to add custom app actions. And we've got our first look at a Google app doing just this. When using Chrome Beta version 1.13 on Android 14, some users have noticed that the custom share sheet doesn't show up anymore. Instead, the browser pulls up the regular system share sheet, but with its app action visible at the top. That means you still have access to the familiar additional options that Chrome usually gives you, like copy link, send to your devices, QR code, and print. The latter option is hidden, though you need to scroll to the left to reveal it, but the interface doesn't suggest that is even an option. The share sheet changes depending on which kind of data you're sharing. When you share an image rather than a link, you get the option to include or omit the link and an edit button, much like it is the case with a custom share sheet. If the new sharing experience doesn't show up for you just yet in Chrome Beta on Android 14 Developer Preview 2, you need to enable the Chrome Flags Share Sheet Migrations Android flag. This turns off the custom share sheet on all Android versions, but only Android 14 will disable the option in the system share sheet. Meanwhile, Android 14 doesn't seem to change much about how direct share targets are selected and which contacts are more likely to be included. However, Android 14 is making the system share sheet a standalone app, which means that it can be updated without a full system update. This will make it possible to push potential changes to the system to phones much faster rather than having to wait for full system updates for tweaks in the future. If you want to give this new Chrome share sheet a try yourself, be sure to install the Android 14 Developer Preview on your Pixel phone and get the latest Chrome Beta released. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.